Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You are with us, Education with Aish. We are back with our fresh new concept of idioms. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about idioms. That how can you use idioms in your conversation and impress yourself in front of others. So let's start. So, guys, it is important to speak English with a good, clear accent so people understand what you are saying and you blend in. Okay, while you are using your new clear accent in English, you can practice using the following idioms to impress your friends. Besides which, it is also fun to use idioms. Let's start with the title. Practice your clear speech with this English idiom. So, our first idiom is to wow someone. When you wow someone, you do something to amaze them or gain their admiration. For example, I wowed my friends when I won first prize in the robotics competition. Right? He wowed the audience when he made the woman disappear. Okay, so whenever you wow someone, so you what do? You do something to amaze them or gain their admiration, right? So like this you use the idiom of wow. So our next is stay tuned. So what is stay tuned? This is originally from tuning in to radio or television, okay, and its meaning is to turn it on and stay on that frequency. We have to do our work in frequency, right? So stay tuned means stay tuned with that work, right? When used as an idiom, it means to continue to pay attention to something. So whenever we use this in idiom, so it means ki we have to continue to pay attention to that work, right? Or to keep watching for further developments. Like for example, stay tuned for our next exciting product. So we have to stay tuned with that product. Okay, say what is the next, right? Stay tuned to see who the next guest in our show. So our next one is give something a boost. Okay, so giving something a boost, it means ki increase, right? Increasing something. To give something a boost is to increase it or to assist in further development or progress. Okay, whenever we are facing any kind of difficulty, we boost our confidence, right? For example, he went to the gym every day at 7 a.m. to boost his muscles and to boost his love life. So, next is on the go. To be on the go means to be in motion. Okay, so whatever work we have started, we are continued that work in motion. Okay, moving around from place to place or busy and active doing lots of things. Okay, so complete that work. We are moving around from place to place or busy and active doing lots of things related to that work, right? For example, my new iPod is great for listening to lectures and music while I am on the go. Okay, and other one is you are always on the go, don't you ever stop and rest. Okay, so whenever we are doing any kind of good work, so we are on the go in that work, right? So this is the good example of it. So next one is half a mind. Okay, so make sure you don't pronounce the I sound in half. Okay, the I sound is silent. So now half a mind. If you have half a mind to do something, you haven't decided to do it, but you are thinking seriously about doing it. Okay, so whenever you think about any work, but you never done that work completely, right? You think about that work, but you never complete that work. For example, I have half a mind to tell her what I really think of her bad behavior. Okay, so he think more about her bad behavior, but he never tell her whole thing, right? So like this, he is thinking seriously about her bad behavior, but he never tell her, right? The other one is I'm in half a mind to buy that pink sofa with purple spots for the lounge room, even though I know it doesn't match the other furniture. Okay, so what a half a mind in that conversation. He knows that the sofa never matched the other furniture, but still he want to buy that pink sofa with purple spots. Okay, so this is the half a mind conversation. Okay, now next one is pass the buck. Pass the buck. If you pass the buck, you avoid taking responsibilities by saying that someone else is responsible. Okay, so you say that someone else is responsible for this work and I'm avoiding, okay, I'm passing the buck, right? You ran away from your responsibilities. For example, when the deal didn't work out, they passed the buck on to the head of their department. Okay, they ran away from their responsibilities, they avoid taking responsibilities, or saying that someone else is responsible, like their department is responsible. So this is the way of passing the buck. Okay, another example is don't try and pass the buck. You were the one who wanted to buy that old cheap car that doesn't work properly. Okay, so he wanted that cheap car, but still he passed the buck to others, right? Now next one is scratch the surface. Yes, so when you scratch the surface of something, you have a superficial knowledge or understanding of it. Okay, so it means that you have a superficial knowledge in that work and you are understand everything in that work, right? For example, he felt he had only just scratched the surface after his first year at law school. Okay, he was doing law cause he loved to do that work. He superficial knowledgeable in that work. He understanding all the things in that work, right? Next one is I have read 10 articles on quantum physics already and feel I have only just started to scratch the surface. Okay, he loved to read that article. Okay, so that's why he understand everything, each and everything in that article. That's why he is scratch the surface. Okay, so if you guys love this video and you want more idioms to impress your friends and others, then like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow for more, and press the I button for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.